Hey everybody out there watching this video, this is Marlon coming to you from my office here in Panorama City, California on this 6th day of October 2015, the Business Credit Coach. Today I want to talk about the usage of credit. One of the sayings that I have is it's better to have more credit and not need it than to have less credit and need more. And here's what I mean by that. For some people, when they actually think about credit, they think of it as a bad thing. They think about I'm in debt. How am I going to pay it back? And those people that think that way is because they think in the consumer way. In other words, they consume things where they buy things, for example, make the minimum payment on it, interest builds up, they're on a fixed income, and then they spend more than what they actually make, and therefore they're in debt because the majority of their payments that they're making is pretty much nothing but interest. But when you're an entrepreneur, when you're a businessman, when you're a businesswoman, doesn't matter if it's a small business, medium-sized business, or large business, you leverage your credit to make money. In other words, you're ready for opportunity. You make money with the money. Now, some of these credit cards have 0% for 12 months, 18 months, low interest rates at like 5.9 for the year. So you make money with the money. So when I teach on my Tuesday presentations, when I show companies how to get access to credit, business credit, corporate credit, regardless of your credit, I teach on the fact about making money with the credit. Do you know that the most successful companies out there, from Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, you're talking about, Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, God bless his soul, and Bill Gates, they all leverage credit. Even Sam Walton, God bless his soul, they all leverage credit. They have hundreds of lines of credit. I'm sure you've heard of OPM, other people's money. People will say, why would they? These guys are like banks. These companies like Facebook or Microsoft are worth billions and billions of dollars. They can be their own bank. You're absolutely right. But why would you use your money when you can use somebody else's money at a low interest rate? So I'll give you an example. You ever heard the term the rich get richer and the poor get poorer? Well, why would a bank or a company want to lend money or credit to Facebook or Microsoft or Apple? Because those companies know that those particular companies are making money, billions of dollars. So they have the capability of actually paying the credit or the loan back. And they'll give them a low interest rate because they know that they actually have the money to pay. So in other words, think like a bank. The banks would rather give money to companies that are making a whole lot of money, even at a low interest rate, if they make minimal, because they know that pretty much 100% they're going to get paid, rather than to loaning to a company or even individual that may not have the capabilities of actually paying it back. So when I talk about business credit, corporate credit, access to funding, better to have more credit and not need it than to have less credit and need more, I am talking about making money with the money. And obviously you having a game plan and you having a business and you being capable of making money so that when you actually do use the credit cards, you're obviously able to pay them back on time. So that's what I talk about getting access to funding, business credit, corporate credit, is to invest it. Use the money to make money. Let me give you a perfect example of how I did that. Just one example. I had took one of my credit cards, one of several of them that I have here, that had a 0% for 12 months. And I was able to purchase a car at $4,500 with the 0% credit card. And I actually sold the car for $7,000. So when you do the math, I made $2,500 off using the credit card's money at 0%. So it was 100% profit, and I didn't touch a dime of my own money. That's what I'm talking about, making money with other people's money or other people's credit, right? Leverage it to make money with. So I just wanted to give you this video so that those of you who are watching this, you understand when I say it's better to have more credit and not need it, and then to have less credit and need more, is to leverage the credit to make money with. Does that make sense? So with that, this is Marlon McKinney, the Business Credit Coach. If you are available or can make some time tonight on this 6th day of October, 2015 Tuesday, come to my office. I'll be doing about a 60-minute presentation on business credit and getting access to funding. And the address is 9612 Van Nuys Boulevard, Suite 108, Panorama City, California, 91402. Thanks a lot. See you.